Yeah, we grew up in Mexico, and we immigrated here in the 90s. I think it was 92. I was only like 7 or 8 years old when I came to this country. Not like any typical immigrant family, it was hard to make ends meet. Never really had much growing up, and so seeing the struggles that my family was dealing with just really motivated me and my siblings to do something, to seek something better for ourselves.
We say he's a churro and I'm the boss. His dad actually sold churros in Mexico, and when we kind of decided that we were going to go the food truck route, we were like, okay, well, we need something that's not too complicated, but we still wanted to do something that was meaningful to us. We kind of thought about it, for a while, and then, one day he goes, hey, like, my dad has a recipe, and his dad passed when he was 13 years old, so he's been long gone. It was going to be kind of hard to track that recipe down, so we spoke to his mom, and although she couldn't really give us anything in writing, and she kind of told us as best she could, and we kind of just played around with our recipe for a long time.
Best churro I've ever had.
Absolutely.
You guys are very quiet. There are no words.
Because these are really good. This is like the perfect pairing of chocolate and cinnamon. So.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. So, a trio of churro heaven.
It's fun to hear the stories. Oh, these taste just like they do in Mexico. It's really enjoyable.